This versatile tool enables you to restore old photos, colorize it, and enhance visuals using specialized AI models, compress videos, and much more, all within minutes. To maximize your productivity with UniConverter, follow these steps. First, access the tool via the link provided in the description. Upon reaching the official website, you'll find detailed information about its core features and functionalities. Click on Try It Free to download the installer to your PC. After the download completes, install and launch the application. The homepage presents a user-friendly interface with numerous tools readily accessible. On the left panel, you'll find quick access to frequently used tools. UniConverter categorizes its tools for various formats, including video, audio, and image editing. While you can explore each tool individually, we'll focus on some of the most popular features to save time. Let's start with the image enhancer. Suppose you've generated some logo designs using AI. While the designs are impressive, their resolution might be low and appear blurred. To enhance and upscale these images, import them into UniConverter's AI Image Enhancer. After importing, select Auto Enhancer, choose your desired storage destination, and click Export. Once the process is complete, you can view the enhanced image. UniConverter also supports batch processing, allowing you to import multiple images and enhance them simultaneously with a single click. Next, let's explore restoring and colorizing old photos using the same image enhancer tool. To restore an image, import it and select Old Photo Restore. Choose the output location and hit Export. After the restoration process, you can preview the restored image. To add color, re-import the restored image, apply the old photo colorizer, and export it again. Now you have both restored and colorized versions of your photo. Batch processing is also available for these features, streamlining the workflow for multiple images. Moving on to the converter feature, UniConverter allows seamless conversion between various formats. Navigate to the Audio tab and select Converter. Import the files you wish to convert, be it MP4, MOV, or any other format. After importing, choose the desired output format and resolution. For faster conversions, ensure that GPU acceleration is enabled. You can opt to convert files individually or use the Convert All function for batch processing. Another notable feature is the Video Enhancer, which is invaluable for upscaling, enhancing, denoising, and frame interpolation of videos. For instance, if you have a low-quality video such as this first video ever published on YouTube by its co-founder with a 240p resolution, you can enhance its quality using the AI Video Enhancer. Import the video, select the appropriate enhancement model, and click Export. You can preview the changes before exporting. The software analyzes and renders the video, improving its quality. For further enhancements, you can re-upload the exported video via the Replace File button and apply additional models like the Video Upscaler, selecting a higher resolution of 4x and exporting again. Applying features like denoising can further improve the video's quality. In addition to these tools, UniConverter offers features such as a screen recorder to record your tutorial video, a video editor to edit your screen-recorded videos, a subtitle editor, and more, providing a comprehensive suite for all your multimedia needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to find the link to the wondershare UniConverter in the description box. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.